You've just brought home some beautiful leather furniture. And if you're like me, you want it to stay gorgeous for years. But let's be real, figuring out how to care for it can feel a little intimidating, right? I'm Sarah, the customer care manager here at the Furniture Mall. I've worked with tons of guests who love their furniture, but aren't sure how to keep it looking as amazing as it did on day one. In this video, I'll break down some super simple tips to keep your leather looking fabulous without spending a fortune on fancy products. Let's get started. Let's first go over some background information. First, it's important to know that all types of leather age. It does come from an animal hide, and it ages just like our skin does. While there are varying degrees of aging based on type of leather, it will happen nonetheless. Factors like sunlight, heat sources, humidity, and even the oil from our skin and hair can all affect how leather can age. For example, if a leather sofa is near a window or heating vent, you may notice cracking or fading over time. A term we like to use in our industry for this process is called patina. Patina is the change in color and texture over time, similar to how a baseball glove fades. Some people find this look desirable, while some don't. Regardless of your preferences, proper maintenance is essential to prevent additional wear and tear, such as discoloration, staining, peeling, and cracking. When caring for your leather, all you generally need is a microfiber cloth, water, and some clear dish soap. It's important to double check with your manufacturer's recommended cleaning practices for their products. Alternatively, you could buy some all-purpose leather cleaner. For instance, at the Furniture Mall, we carry Guardsman leather cleaner, which is the brand we trust and recommend to our guests. Whichever method you choose, always test your cleanser in an inconspicuous area on the furniture to ensure it's safe. Let's talk about conditioning your leather. Conditioning helps prevent cracking, keeps the texture soft, protects against discoloration, and shields your furniture from everyday wear and tear. Start by cleaning the leather using the steps we covered earlier. Then gently apply a leather conditioner with a clean cloth. Be sure to choose a conditioner with natural ingredients and avoid products that contain harsh chemicals. These methods will work across all types of leather. Be sure to wipe up spills immediately, but how often you should do a full cleaning depends on the type of leather and your lifestyle. If you have kids or pets, host company often, or if you're home a lot, then you'll likely have to clean more regularly. So what's the next step? Check out our videos on fabric and wood care so that your whole living space stays beautiful. Or better yet, stop by the Furniture Mall and let one of our specialists help pick the best furniture for your home. Thanks for watching, and oh yeah.